Welcome to Pine Lakes Condominium Association. This is a wonderful community with all the amenities that you're looking for. We have a pool, we have a spa, there's a tot lot playground, in addition to green spaces with cornhole and ping pong. The condo that we are looking at today is almost new, so completed just under a year ago, and it is immaculate and beautiful. Let's take a look. This is 4100 South Pine Lake Way in South Chandler. For more information about this property or any of the others in the East Valley, you can call me at this number, 480-570-8548. I'm Kari Gutierrez with the Home Smart Elite Group.